Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to share a super profitable 15-minute scalping strategy. We'll only use 2 free indicators from TradingView, and it's so easy that even beginners can use it. Plus, this strategy works great for day trading and swing trading too. Stick around until the end to learn all the details, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. The scalping strategy we'll discuss in this video is super profitable and works on all assets like Forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. To use this strategy, just head over to TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Search tab, type Best Cloud All MA and select the one by Devat. After that, go to the settings of the Best Cloud All MA indicator. In the Input tab, change the length of EMA 1 to 150 and the length of EMA 2 to 200. Then go to the Style tab, set the color on the trend state bar coloring to red and green, and uncheck the shape option. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. Now let's discuss this indicator a bit. If the 150 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA and the candlestick color changes to green, it is a sign of a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Conversely, if the 150 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA and the candlestick color changes to red, it is a sign of a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Next, we will add the second indicator that will guide you in placing buy or sell orders. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Quantitative Qualitative Estimation, or QQE. Select Quantitative Qualitative Estimation, or QQE by Kavan Kozbiljic. After that, go to the settings of the Quantitative Qualitative Estimation, or QQE indicator. In the Input tab, leave the settings at default. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, set the color of fast to red and the color of slow to green. Next, change the color of the uptrend highlighter to green and the color of the downtrend highlighter to red. Adjust the opacity according to your preference. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Quantitative Qualitative Estimation, or QQE indicator, will be used as a guide to place buy or sell orders in the market. If a buy signal appears, your main focus is to place a buy order. If a sell signal appears, your main focus is to place a sell order. Now let's discuss how to use this scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the Best Cloud All MA indicator is green and the candlestick is also green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the area of the Best Cloud All MA indicator. Then wait for a buy signal from the QQE indicator. If the buy signal from the QQE indicator appears, ensure the trend is still bullish. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Best Cloud All MA indicator is red and the candlestick is also red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the area of the Best Cloud All MA indicator. Then wait for a sell signal from the QQE indicator. If the sell signal from the QQE indicator appears, ensure the trend is still bearish. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.